Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about multiple inheritance. So definitely one question is coming in your mind, what is multiple inheritance? So let me explain generally. Multiple inheritance means creating a child class, creating a child class in the presence of multiple parent classes. It means a child can have multiple parents. Such concept is known as multiple inheritance. Otherwise, you can say we can derive a class in the presence of multiple parent classes is called multiple inheritance. So definitely what happened, here one question will rise that Java support multiple inheritance or not. For example, when you compare with Python people say that Python supports multiple inheritance, Java does not support multiple inheritance. That is absolutely wrong. So today I will show you how Python supports multiple inheritance and how Java supports multiple inheritance. But remember, both Java and Python supports multiple inheritance. So let me write the Python code first. First we will declare a class and my class name is parent1 and I want to define a function, means I want to declare a function, define one function. So then inside this function I want to write a parent1 function. Then I will declare another parent class parent2. Again I want to declare same function this. We required same function because in multiple inheritance both parent must have same function. So then here what I will do, I will write parent2 function. So definitely we need to create a class child. So how we can achieve inheritance here? We should write here parent1 comma parent2 and here I want to write pass means I don't want to write any logic in child. So then what we need to do, definitely we need to create object. So we need to create object for child. Why? Because whatever the properties are there in the parents, by default it will comes to child. So I am creating object for child, C is equal to child. Then I need to call C dot F1 function I am calling. So in this case what happened, first it will go to child class. In the child class here you can find the first parameter as parent1. So definitely we will get parent1 function output will come. See this, let me run this. So here parent1 function is coming. Suppose if I am writing here parent2 and parent1 and then if I run, so here first parameter parent2 is there. So definitely parent2 function is coming. So Python people says that array Python supports multiple inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance. But it is absolutely wrong. See, from Java 8 version, even Java supports multiple inheritance case from Java 8 version. So let me show you how to achieve this. See, Python is accessing or Python is getting multiple inheritance through classes. But remember, Java cannot access this multiple inheritance through classes, it will get through interfaces. That is only the difference. It is not like that Java does not support that features. It is supporting but through interfaces, not through with classes, but Python supports through with classes. So let me write a code for Java now. I want to write one interface, let's say parent1 and I want to write a default method. Remember, in interface we need to declare a default method. If you write a default method, then only we can achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So to declare a default method, we need to use default keyword, and I want to give the name as method1, m1, because in Python we say function, but in Java we say method. So, and it is a non-abstract method. Non-abstract method means this method will have body. So now we can write some code in this. Let me write some dummy code. So system.out.println, this is belongs to parent1 method. So now we need to declare one more parent, that is known as parent2. This is another interface. Here also we need to use default method, and remember, method names must match here. So default void m1, and it is also non-abstract method, so definitely here also I will write some dummy logic, parent2, and this is known as method. So now what we need to do, now we need to create a class, child class. We need to create a child class, and the child implements both parents, parent1, parent2. So now what we need to do, now definitely first parent is having one method and parent2 is also having m1 method. So how many times we should write in the child m1 method means only for one time. So, and remember, don't use default. Default allowed only in interfaces. Default methods not allowed in the classes. Don't take in the class. Instead of default, we need to take public void m1. So now we need to decide which method, which parent method you want to execute. For example, I need parent1 m1 method. So here we need to write first interface name, then we should write super keyword because they are parent, super, and then the method name. So like this. Then we need to create a separate class. Java says always we need to create a separate class for main method, public static void main string array args. And here we need to create object for child, guys. Why? Because in Java it is not possible to create object for interfaces. So we need to create object for child. So I am creating child, c is equal to new child. Then I can say c dot m1 method. So let me save this, and I want to open the command prompt. Let me make it big, and then I will save with the name test.java because my main class name is test. So now you can see java c test.java, compilation done successfully. Now execution. So here only parent1 is coming. No sir, I need a parent2 method. So you can say parent2.super.m1. So definitely java c test.java, java test, here parent2 will execute. If we need both, we can execute both also. We can write parent1.super.m1. So in this case, we can execute both parent method. So this is all about multiple inheritance between Python and Java. Thank you guys.